What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and a bit of review of this power station right here, because I recently bought this because most of the time current normally goes out. Also I bought this to charge most of my appliances like my computer, my laptop, my cameras and those things. And sometimes I might go out and I might have a little shoot, or I might go vlogging, and I might run out of juice. And this is the power station right here that I got, and this is how it look. As you can see right here, portable power station, and it just comes right in this box right here. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. But before we do that, I'm gonna show you guys what's on the box right here. Say portable power station, and this is from GRECELL. Great. So show some few things on the box right here. You can charge a solar power station, but I didn't purchase it with this. I might purchase sometime in the future to show you guys how that works. But if you buy this separately, it can charge like in your wall, in your outlet, or also in your car. I'm gonna go to that later on in this video. So I'm just gonna show you guys some of the features of this right here and just unbox it, let you guys see how it's inside. So we have this little part right here. This is where I get the cables in. Ooh. So inside we have a user manual which you can go through, and I recommend that go through this user manual right here, because there's some important things in this that you guys need to know. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys some of the ports which comes inside. So we have the AC port right here, which is a 2-part. Now this port can plug into this part right here, into your power supply, which can plug into your wall socket, which can plug into this. Also we have more ports guys. We have the cigarette lighter port right here, so you can plug this into your car and charge this as well. Also we have a port right here. I think this port is for the solar panel, which does not come into the package. So if you happen to buy the solar panel, you get a port for that as well. Let us look at now guys, the power supply right here. You can see that guys, it has a little bit of weight, but not something that heavy that you cannot carry around. I love the ergonomics of this, how it built. I love the build quality. Material is plastic, but hard plastic, right? So you can see that I pressed that by accident. We have a little angle right here on it, which you can use to carry around. And to the side right here, this is the vent, where we have a little fan inside. So once the fan is basically used to regulate the minimum temperature which requires for this to work. So we have a light right here, so in the dark or anything like that, you can press a button on it and it activate the light. Now this is the T300 series, which means that it can produce, I think the watt that it can produce is 330 watt. You have some bigger one, you have like the 500, I think, the 1000 watt, but definitely go for this one right here, which work great for charging my equipment. Now onto it right here, you can see guys, I'm going to show you some of the ports which it comes in. So as you can see right here, we have the power button, we have the light button right here, we have the DC button right here. Now you can see these 3 parts. So we have the DC, we have the USB, and we have the AC port right here. And also we have the charging port, we cannot charge it as well right here. So for each of these ports to work, we have to first turn it on. As you can see, it's on right now, and we have at least 40% on it. Now to activate each of these ports, we have to press the button for each one to work. Now once you press it and it's not using, it will automatically turns off. But if you, let's say you're using the DC port, you just press the button right here, and you can see it comes up. Let me see if that comes up. Right, so you can see it comes up right there, which shows the amount of watt this thing is generating. Also if you press the USB port, it will comes up as well. And also if you push this AC port, it will comes up as well. Now once you plug in something onto this, it will show the amount of watt that it is being generated by each device that you plug into it. And Also, this is a 300 watts, so anything more than this, it have an overload protection. So if you put too many things on it, it automatically turns off. It won't, affect your devices that you're charging. And this is very neat and compact. I'm gonna do a little bit of test of this right here, just to give you guys an idea of amount of things that can be plugged and used with this right here. Now I'm gonna do a test on my cell phone and my laptop to see how many watt these are being produced, so you guys have an idea of how this actually works. First, I'm gonna plug it in first, let you guys see how much watt this thing charges. Now this can charge up to, according to user manual, it takes up to 5 to 7 hours to charge. So if you want to use this like go out, I recommend that you can charge it like overnight before. Now I'm going to use the AC cable right here to charge it first. Let you guys see how much watt this comes in. You can use the DC as well, like in your car, or you can charge it with your solar panel, which I don't have, so I might have to do that for another video. So I'm going to try the AC port to let you guys see how much watt this thing bring in. Alright, so I have this plugged into my wall socket, and I'm gonna test it right here into the AC input, and it should be charging right now. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it should be charging. So this thing right now, power in. So I'm gonna get a close-up shot of this right here. So this thing right now takes in a power watt of 51 watt. So it is charging to the watt. It is at 41%, and it's charging 41 watt in, which is not bad from this AC input right there. And as you guys can see, a little more close-up shot of that. And yeah, so it takes in a roughly 50 watt of charging, and that's all with that. Alright, so this is for the flashlight. So you can see right here we have a flashlight, which I mentioned earlier on. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to test my laptop on it to see how much watt it is being charging. Now with this Apple device, it recommends that you use the correct charging supply. Now I might use the normal standard USB, and I'm going to test also the AC outlet with it to see how much watt it's pushing, and if it can go up to that amount of wattage. Now this charging brick right here from Apple, this rated, I think it's 70, let's see, yeah, that's 70, it's 96 watt guys, this right here. I'm gonna test it on this to see if it can actually give my laptop some charge. Alright, so I'm gonna plug up my cable right now. Plug it this way, and I'm gonna plug this right now into my computer. Alright, so I'm getting some juice right now, which is something that is looking great. So I'm gonna show you guys a close-up shot of this right now. So as you can see guys, it is charging right here, and also on the wattage you can see right there I'm getting close to 90 watt, 87, kind of fluctuating, which is looking really great with this power brick right here. Charge it quite fine, and you know that this doesn't take long to charge because this watt right here is pushing a lot of watt, as you can see onto it right there. So I'm going to test now with the cable itself in the USB port right here, which is rated at 60 watt, to see how this actually works. Now this port right here, I think this is rated to like 300 watt. So I'm going to plug this right now into this output right here. You can see it's charging it as well, and you can see right there USB out 60 watt, which is slightly lower than this port right here, which is power brick is pushing, but still getting the job done. See it there guys, really great, really accurate. And these port up here, which is what, 3.0, I'm not sure how many watt this thing is pushing. I'm gonna test that. I might test that like on my my drone to see how that works. Alright, so I'm gonna test my charging DJI charging drone battery pack right here. I'm not sure how many watt this thing is pushing input. So it's showing that 9 volt. I'm gonna test it to see with a USB cable. Alright, so I'm gonna plug a USB cable into it right now. Right here. Alright, so I plug a USB cable into it. I'm gonna plug this right now into my charging battery to see how many watt this thing is pushing. I'm gonna turn it on. Let me plug out this one right here so it doesn't interrupt. So you can see that it's pushing roughly 5 watt, 7 watt. It's counting. Let me see right there. So it's pushing at roughly 10 watts, which is not bad. The USB right here. So that's the wattage that is pushing. Not bad. Roughly 10 watt. It may depend on the device though, because probably another device can push more. So I might want to test on something else to see. So I'm going to try it on the DJI drone itself. So you can see, guys, it's charging right now. And I'm going to look to see how many watt this thing is pushing. So as you can see right there, pushing roughly 15 watt. So it depends on the device that you're charging, based on the wattage that is pushing right here. So I think this roughly pushing at least 20 watt, probably the maximum, not sure, depends on the device, as I said earlier on. And so these are my testing of this right here. Now also I'm gonna put more information of this in the description of this video, so like some more things like that you can charge at how many times, you know. So this power bank right here, our power station I should say, is a great deal if you want to go out, even if you're a person like camping, you know, want to go out, want to use your equipment outdoor without any power supply nearby. This is a great power station that you can charge up, like carry it around, and you know, something that I use and I recommend. Great pickup, guys, to just use in certain emergency. So if you have a current at home and it might go away as well, great as well for that backed up power supply. So guys, I hope you find this video somehow helpful. Remember that links for this is down in the description of this video. If you guys want to, you know, get more information, I want to pick this up, I will actually earn a commission. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Until next time, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.